had a strange conversation with a lady in a waiting room about leaving all this doom and gloom. If you could be anywhere, where would you be? If you could be anywhere, would you be there with me? If I could be anywhere, I'd be there. If I could be anywhere, I'll be there with you, girl. Take my chances, fake my glances, wake those answers anywhere but take my chances. I'll fake my glances, wake my